Bring your home to life this year with LED Christmas lighting and beautifully decorated Christmas decor. The holidays are a time for joy, warmth, and celebration, and nothing sets the scene quite like a beautifully lit home. Our professional Christmas lighting installation services are designed to make your home sparkle with festive cheer without the hassle of doing it yourself. From elegant roofline displays to dazzling tree wraps and custom designs, we offer a wide range of packages to suit every home and style. Whether you prefer a classic white glow or a vibrant mix of colors, our team will create a display that captures the magic of the season. We're currently offering an exclusive 15% discount on all installations booked by November 15th, 2025. Early scheduling not only saves you money, but also ensures your installation is completed well before the holiday rush, so you can relax and enjoy the season. Spots are already filling fast as families plan ahead to make this their brightest holiday yet. Call us today at 732-691-8654 or visit www.indiel-designs.com to schedule your installation and bring your holiday vision to life. Let's make this Christmas your most radiant one yet. Tired of tangled lights? Skip the ladders and tangled lights. Let New Dimensions Landscaping create your holiday masterpiece. Custom designs, safe installations, and dazzling results.